Do I need to adjust the temperature or baking time if I am baking 2 cakes simultaneously?
Hello, bakers! Today, we're tackling an essential question in the world of baking. Do I need to adjust the temperature or baking time if I am baking 2 cakes simultaneously? Don't worry, we're here to guide you through the best practices, ensuring that all your cakes turn out perfectly.
Do I need to adjust the oven temperature?
In short, the answer is number. When baking 2 cakes simultaneously, you should not need to adjust the oven temperature. The temperature set in your recipe should remain the same regardless of how many cakes are in the oven. However, it's crucial to monitor your oven's behavior, as all ovens are different and may vary in their heat distribution.
What about the baking time?
Here's where it gets a bit tricky. While the oven temperature shouldn't change, the baking time might need to be adjusted. If your oven has even heat distribution, your cakes should bake in the normal amount of time. However, if your oven has hot spots or uneven heat, one cake might bake faster than the other, especially if they're on different racks. In this case, you may need to rotate the cakes halfway through the baking time for even baking.
So, how do I ensure even baking?
A few tips can help you ensure even baking when baking 2 cakes simultaneously. 1. Rotate the cakes. Halfway through the baking time, swap the positions of the cakes and turn them around. This helps mitigate any hot spots in your oven and promotes even baking. 2. Space them out properly. Ensure there is enough space between the cakes for heat to circulate evenly. 3. Use an oven thermometer. This is a great way to ensure your oven's temperature is accurate. To wrap things up, while you don't need to adjust the temperature when baking 2 cakes simultaneously, you might need to tweak the baking time. Rotating your cakes and ensuring proper space in the oven will help you achieve the perfect bake. Happy baking, everyone!